Dear friend, welcome back to my channel on Python programming language video series. In this video series, we are going to learn about Python programming and all other stuff. In particular, in today's video, we are going to learn about what is Anaconda, Anaconda Navigator, and how to install Anaconda in our Windows systems. So coming to what is an Anaconda, basically it is a Python and also R programming distribution. A Python distribution is a program that allows you to use Python. Anaconda contains multiple programs. Among them, Jupyter Notebook and Spider are very famous. Coming to Anaconda, so the picture that is shown here is called as Anaconda Navigator. So under Anaconda Navigator, you can see there are various programs available and other programs are also there. When you scroll down this, then you can see other programs too. Here, if you see for each program, there are install and launch options. And the programs with launch options are on the go use programs. Simply you can click this, it will open and you can start doing your work. When it comes to install, you need to install again, then later you have to use it. Now we will see what actually Anaconda Navigator and other things. Coming to Anaconda Navigator, basically it is graphical user interface of Anaconda distribution. You can manage the programs and all other features of Anaconda. Coming to Jupyter Notebook is a web-based program. It let you to code Python. It is also called as web application under Anaconda. It is very good for data analysis. You can visualize the data very easily and it is very interactive and lets you run partial codes. Coming to Jupyter Lab, it let you to collect multiple Jupyter notebooks under one tab. You can open Jupyter notebooks on multiple web tabs, but if you are used to using IDEs, it might seem more user-friendly to use Jupyter Lab. And when you scroll down, these are other programs that you can see under Anaconda Navigator. And here, especially, we are going to learn about what actually a Spider is. So the Spider is an IDE for Python. You can code your Python here, but there are some differences with Jupyter Notebook. Spider is not interactive as Jupyter, but more efficient for building a whole data science application. Again, if you scroll down, these programs that you can see, and here we are going to see what actually a PyCharm is. The PyCharm is also an IDE like Spider. You can use it for not only data science, but multiple purposes such as web development and desktop app development. PyCharm is a very popular IDE among developers because it has strong debug and refactoring options. And also we will see in future what other programs available in Anaconda Navigator and how we can use for our programming purposes. Now we will see how to install the Anaconda distribution in our Windows operating system. So for this, you can open your favorite browser in your system. So here I am opening Google, and in the search engine, you can type Anaconda download, Anaconda download, then hit the enter key. Then you can select this first URL, Anaconda distribution. Just click it, it opens like this. So you can, on your right side, you can see Anaconda distribution download and Windows symbol, and it is of 621 MB of size. Just click download. At the moment you clicked the download button, and immediately it starts downloading the Anaconda execution file here. Once it is downloaded, we will open it and we try to install it. Let's wait for 1 minute so that it will be completely downloaded. Then we can start doing the next step. Yeah, it is completely opened. Then you can see where actually it is downloaded. Then double click it. Click next, agree, and you can choose just for me or all users, your wish. I just used all users. Then click yes. Then choose the path. So default path is C drive. So click next. And here it is the first option, not recommended. And the second you can check it. Then you can install. So it is setting up the packages that are required. Now the installation is complete. Click next, next, finish. Now to open this, you can go here and type Anaconda. So here you can see Anaconda Navigator. Just click it. Wait for a moment, it opens. Now the Anaconda Navigator is opened and you can see there are various programs available under Anaconda. So now we will be opening the Jupyter Notebook. As you can see here, there is an option launch. Click launch. As we know, it is web-based programming one, so that it will be opened like this. Now, these are the various folders that you can see on your system. So these folders may not be same as in case of your system, since these folders are related to my system. Now, to keep all your Jupyter notebooks in one folder, then you need to create a new folder. So go here, click new. There you can see text file folder terminal. So I need a folder. The moment you clicked that folder, there you can see untitled folder. Now select this, rename this. So here you give your name. So I'm giving as Python training. Just click rename so that that folder will be created for you. You can observe here Python training folder is created. Now click it. It means that you are opening the Python training folder. So in this folder, you wanted to keep your Python notebooks, right? So for that, what you have to do is you need to click again new. Now you need to keep your Python Jupyter notebooks. So click Python 3 so that it opens the cell for writing your Python in Jupyter notebook. So this particular thing is called as a cell. You can also name this notebook as your wish. So here I can tell you this. You just click here where you can see untitled, then it opens a window. There you can give, and it is Python. I am giving Python introduction. Just I have given a name like that for that particular Jupyter notebook. Click rename. So immediately it changes to Python introduction. So here you can write your program. So as we know, when we are using the hash at the beginning, it stands for single line commenting. So this is for Python hello world program. So this cannot be executed. So to print hello world, just type print, then take the codes and type hello world. Once it is finished typing, then you just click run so that immediately it provides the output as hello world. So like this, each cell can be used to write our Python code and you can execute it and we can save it. Hope you learn what is Anaconda, what is Anaconda navigation, what are the various programs that are available in Anaconda, and how to use Jupyter Notebook for coding your Python. Thank you for watching.